In this video, I'm going to show you how to create automatic zooms, clean tutorial layouts, prompt cards, result cards, and even camera effects inside After Effects using ClickZoomPro. Auto Zoom. Instead of manually keyframing every zoom, just select the layers you want, click Auto Zoom, and boom. It analyzes your timeline and handles the zooms for you. No more endless tweaks, no more wasted time. Just fast, smooth, professional zooms in seconds. Watch this. I select the clip, hit auto zoom, and instantly the movement feels dynamic and polished. That's the kind of speed we're talking about. Next up is demo frame. And this is really important if you're making AI tutorials. Just look at what other YouTubers are doing. When they show a prompt, a tool, or a result, they don't just leave a plain screen recording. They present it inside a clean frame with a nice layout because it looks more professional and keeps viewers engaged. That's exactly what Demo Frame does. With one click, you can choose a style like Premium, Frame, or Inside, adjust the size and colors, and instantly, your tutorial looks polished and branded. Watch this. I select my layers, click Premium, and just like that, ClickZoomPro builds the layout for me. Now let's apply Auto Zoom to a face cam video. Same idea. You select your clip, hit Auto Zoom, and it handles the movement, smoothing things out so your face cam feels dynamic without extra keyframing. Then, if you want manual control, you can switch to zoom controls. Select your footage, hit zoom in or zoom out, tweak the timing and scale, and you're good. Just remember, if you want speed, auto zoom is the way to go. And to wrap it up, we've got camera controls. With 3D cam and light, you can add subtle camera moves and depth in just a couple of clicks. ClickZoomPro is currently on a limited time promotion. If you want to grab it and speed up your tutorial edits, hit the link in the description now before the price goes up. Check it out and start speeding up your tutorial edits today.